Well, good afternoon, everybody. As you can see, I got all my cages up for the plants. And I got the cucumbers transplanted, the new cucumbers. I've been doing a lot of weed whacking up through here. I know, I gotta do more. Up here are my high bush blueberries. I put some mat down there, weed mat around them. I'm going to have to put some fencing around them too. But, yeah, here we are. That's what I've been doing today. And, yes, Howie's out being a pain in my ass, as usual. I've been doing quite a bit of weed whacking around up and down the driveway. Well, I had to get into my tool shed to do the tractor tires. And yeah, I already been working with the tractor tires, the new ones. And okay, for those of you that's telling me they're backwards, they were mounted that way. I didn't mount them. But the last time I got tires, Kubota mounted them the same way. I told my cousin, and he's like, we'll swap them out here sometime this summer. So it'll be all right. But, yeah, that's what I've been doing today. Just trying to get things going, get my gardens ready. It might rain. They said it might rain. I don't know. I'm freaking done with this rain shit. The little chickies are doing good. My garden's doing good. Yeah, I gotta go cut all the zippy ties off the cages. All right, have a nice day, everyone.